The Model 979 belt grinder delivers the kind of brute strength that you'd expect in a machine designed to hog material, yet still provide the velvet touch for which Burr King machines are famous. Its integrated design provides a quiet smoothness, minimizing operator time and fatigue. This machine has a 3-inch by 79-inch belt track and is constructed with heavy welded steel and cast iron accessories. The Model 979 is also available with either a 3 or 5 horsepower motor with a belt speed of 7,200 service feet per minute. Select the elevation control to optimize work positions for various operators. The Model 979 adapts to a swing grinder with low voltage controls that are at the operator's fingertips. As with all Burr King grinders, other value-adding options such as magnetic starters, variable speed controllers, and dust control devices extend the value of this tough machine.